Hi, welcome to MK Music. My name is Andy and today I'll be going through a short exercise to help you with sight reading. This video is part 3 of a short series and today I'm going to look at applying a piece of music to the fretboard. So with the guitar it can be quite tricky when it comes to sight reading because we can play the same pitch of notes in several different places. For example, the 5th fret of the E string sounds this A, which is also the same as the open A string or 5th string. So the system that we use to get around this is called the cage system, where we take each open shape from C, A, G, E and D, and we can move those shapes around the fretboard. In this example I'm going to show you how to play this particular melody that we've looked at in videos 1 and 2 using the G shape of this cage system. So we're going to pick out the notes based around this shape, and those are So to begin this piece, we start with the A, which is on the 7th fret of the D string. Then we're moving down to the G on the 5th fret of the D string. We're then going to go down a string to the A, where we play the E note on the 7th fret. So far we've got. Then we're going back up to the G and the A, so we're going D string, 5th fret, 7th fret, and then we land on the E note on the 7th fret of the A string at the end of the bar. So the whole phrase is Next we have a quarter bar rest at the beginning of the bar, so we play nothing, and we come in on the and of beat 1. So we come in there on the E note, which is again the 7th fret of the A string. We then go down to the 5th fret for the D, and then we're coming down to the low E string for the C note, which is on the 8th fret. We play that twice, then we go back up to the D note, 5th fret, and the 7th fret of the A for the E. So then we have in the third bar we've got again quarter note rest, so we're coming in on the and of the beat 1, and we're actually going up an octave, so instead of using this E we're now up to the E here. I recognise that from that, and what we're going to do is play the E, B string 5th fret, down to the C, which is the 5th fret on the G string, up to the 7th fret on the same string for the D. Then we're going down to the D string to play the A note, which is the 7th fret. Back 2 frets to fret number 5 for the G. Then we're going up to the D to end that bar. And now that is actually held on because we've got a tied note, so we hold that onto the next beat of the 4th bar. Then we're going back to the 5th fret for the C at the end of the piece, which is, again, this is held on, so we then hold that for the duration of the tied notes. So the whole thing sounds like this. So if you've enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe below and leave a comment if you would like me to produce any particular types of video for you. Thanks a lot, I've been Andy, take care.